The only bad thing about a video doorbell is that knock-knock jokes fall flat because you already know who's there. Jokes aside, these are the best doorbell cameras we've tested. There are many products available to choose from video doorbell, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best video doorbells from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. ESVA's DB1C Wi-Fi Video Doorbell. The ESVA's DB1C Wi-Fi Video Doorbell is an affordable smart doorbell that delivers sharp HD video with a wide viewing angle, cloud and local video storage, and support for voice control and lots of third-party smart devices. Positive side of this product: affordable. Sharp video quality. Wide vertical viewing angle. Dual band Wi-Fi. Local and cloud video storage. Supports IFTTT, as well as Alexa and Google Voice commands. Negative side of this product: requires wiring. Alexa streamed video is in fisheye mode. Number 2. Wyze Video Doorbell Pro. The versatile, battery-powered Wyze Video Doorbell Pro offers lots of features and functionality for an affordable price. Positive side of this product: produces sharp video. Wireless or wired setup. Supports voice controls. Works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT. Long battery life. Dual band Wi-Fi. Includes chime. Negative side of this product: doesn't support HomeKit. Some features require a subscription. Number 3. Remobell S. The Remobell S is an affordable video doorbell that's loaded with features including motion detection, free cloud storage, support for Alexa and Google Voice commands, and interoperability with other smart devices via IFTTT. Positive side of this product: affordable. Sharp HD video. Motion detection. Two-way audio. Free cloud storage. Works with Alexa and Google Voice commands. Supports IFTTT. Easy to install. Negative side of this product: requires wiring. The video is recorded in fisheye mode. Number 4. Toucan Wireless Video Doorbell. The affordable Toucan Wireless Video Doorbell comes with a remote chime, works with Alexa and Google Assistant commands, offers free cloud storage, and is very easy to install. Positive side of this product: completely wireless. Sharp 1080p video. Free cloud storage. Includes a remote chime. Supports Alexa and Google Assistant. Negative side of this product: limited third-party integration options. Doesn't support HomeKit or IFTTT. Number 5. Arlo Essential Video Doorbell Wire-Free. The battery-powered Arlo Essential Video Doorbell Wire-Free is easy to install and offers sharp HDR video, voice control, and interoperability with third-party smart devices. Positive side of this product: high-resolution HDR video. No hub required. Wired or wireless operation. Supports Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Works with lots of third-party devices. Negative side of this product: expensive. Recorded video and smart notifications require a subscription. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as they will make your life much easier. Thank you for watching this video.